A TV designer put this image on Instagram. And I said, "What are you thinking?" Can you see the problems? Let's talk. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. It's Pop Quiz Week on Roominess. We'll have 4 new episodes bringing you straightforward steps to an inviting home. You can get my ebooks over at Roominess.tv for just 99 cents all this week. Check out RoominessTV on Instagram for daily Pop Quiz Week questions related to the videos. And click the subscribe button for more bite-sized decor advice. Something that's troublesome about design media in general are example rooms that are set up to solve one problem, but clearly have several other problems in their after state. Oh, I'm sure you've never done that before. I recreated this image from the Instagram photo that bothered me. The photo was intending to show off the coffee bar to the left. My recreation may not do it justice exactly, but immediately problems started popping out of the photo at me. The most glaring is the size of the rug. Are they kidding? Someone going to sit down is going to pull the chair probably all the way off the rug, and then you're going to catch the chair on the rug when you try to push it back under the table. Then I noticed the distance between the coffee bar and the table. To walk between furniture, a comfortable distance is about 3 feet. If you don't use the pathway very often, you can reduce that a little. Most likely, the kitchen is the next room over, and this is a main pathway through the house. Why would they cram the coffee bar and table so close together? That made me look at the whole orientation of the space. The room is long and narrow, but instead of following the proportions of the room, they set the table crossways. Can you do that? Absolutely, provided 2 things. Number 1, you still have to have room for foot traffic all the way around your table, which they don't. Number 2, you have to use the other end of the room for some purpose. Based on the photo, and they only had one, it appears the entire floor space in front of the coffee bar is empty and unused. This makes no sense to me at all. And even that's not the end of it. There are 2 more chairs tucked into the corners. They think they can get 6 people around this table and still have room to get up and walk to the kitchen and to the coffee bar. You're complaining an awful lot today. I don't know anyone who complains like you do. So what would I do differently? Here's how I would approach it. I would put the coffee bar at the end of the room so it's still convenient to the kitchen, but it isn't pulling the room off balance. I would turn the table to run long ways in the room. Now this would require recentering the chandelier, but that never seems to be a problem for design shows. You can see the rug is much larger now, with room for diners to be at the table without pushing the chair legs off the rug. I also swapped out the buffet for a wine rack piece that wouldn't impede flow of foot traffic through the room. Now, I would bet that the TV designer involved would agree with these suggestions in principle. So either they were under a deadline and forgot, or there's something else going on in the room that we don't see in the Instagram photo, and maybe makes some more sense of the choices they made. Except for the rug. That's unforgivable. Not that I would complain. Here's another video that YouTube thinks you'll like. You should watch. It's short. I'll see you there.